Hello guys, this is your boy Manandothegoat and I'm back again with another video guys. So on today's video guys, we're gonna be analyzing three pairs which is gonna be DXY, gold and silver. So we are on DXY guys, as you could see. So on DXY, I'm on the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame guys, what I'll do is I'll highlight my highest height. As you can see, guys, that's my highest height. After highlighting my highest height, I'd come highlight my lowest low. So after highlighting my lowest low, then now I'd highlight my important levels. So this is part of my important levels where price made a 10. And as you could see, guys, we have patterns within patterns. This could be the first touch, second touch, third touch. You could see what happened on that touch. What's done on the low has to also be done on the on the height. And then this is how we have it. So from the daily time frame, guys, we're gonna go to the 4 hour. So now we are on the 4 hour time frame. So guys, if you noticed how price moves in an impulse correction, and there were a lot of patterns that were repeating themselves. As you could see, this was the first pattern that you could have had. This is the first pattern that you could have had. You could see that price went down. And again, it gave you a double top here. And then we went with an impulse. And again, the same pattern repeated, guys. So this is like a correctional pattern. I can say it's a correctional pattern, which kept repeating until price went to the Went to the downside. So from the 4 hour, guys, I'm gonna go to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, guys, you could see that price is creating what it's sort of called like an inverse head and shoulder. As you can see, we already have the left shoulder here, and we don't have the right shoulder. So the prediction on this one is we could see price possibly reaching that level. So we're gonna have something like something like this. So this is what I see on DXY. You get what I'm saying, guys? So I'm gonna end the DXY analysis on the 1 hour time frame. So for the entry sessions, guys, I'll make another video if you're happy with this one. So this is how I'm looking at DXY. So you can take the previous impulse that went down and put it on the current market, where you're gonna use your bar pattern. So this is your bar pattern, guys. So with the bar pattern, you're just gonna click here, and we're gonna take these impulse going down, click, and then we can put it on on the current market. What you just have to do is to flip it, and then this is how you gonna be having your structure, and you can push it to this level. As I say, guys, the first one that we're gonna analyze will be DXY. So the second pair that I'll be going to it's silver or gold. Let's see which one. Let's start with silver. So on silver, we're gonna start on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, guys, looking at silver, we could see that okay, price has been price has been an uptrend. How do you determine with the lower trend line? Price has just been moving up in an uptrend. And then we're gonna try to look at the previous structure, where we could take this trend line, put it there, go up, keeps perfect again. Then now I'm gonna come use zones to zones. As you could see here, guys, on the low, I have a zone. So what we see here, guys, it's a pattern which is called the head and shoulder setup. So you're just gonna come here. Okay, let me try this head and shoulder setup and see if I'm sure. All right. As once you see these things, you can never unsee them. So we're gonna come here, take this level. So this is your shoulder. This is your big head, and then you come here. This is your shoulder, and then you come down. So guys, on silver, you could see that on the daily time frame, you have what we call an inverse head and shoulder, where you're gonna see price pushing up. So now you need to be looking at price doing what? Price pushing up to that left shoulder. You know, they don't have to be actually equal, but price has to push up. So when you're done with your tool called the HNS setup, you can remove it so it doesn't disturb you when you go to the what? To the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, guys, we're gonna be looking at it again. As you could see, price is respecting the zone that I'm having. And again, if you were to use a bar pattern, you could see that there's a double bottom. You could just use this previous what? This previous level from that side to this side. And then we do what? We do this. We can put it here. Like this is just structure, guys. They keep doing what they keep repeating themselves. And then again, for you to determine that zone, you can just come put it here. And then we have something like what? We have something like this. You could see it's equal height. And again, guys, for confirmation more, because I train trend lines, you could see from this trend here that the trend was supported so many times, you know. And again, guys, we have a structure within a structure where you could see 1, 2, 3. You have a 1, 2, 3 there. And again, we have a what? We have a 1, 2, 3. So what you can wait for again is a breakout. As you could see, you have a breakout, and after the breakout, you have a correction, and then price went up to the impulse. So I'm gonna remove this tool of mine and end my analysis on the 1 hour. So guys, I'll make another video on Friday, showing how the analysis went, you know. Win or lose, I'm still Manandothegoat, guys. So okay, let's continue. So you could see here, and then I push it to this level so that it can be equal. So guys, you could see that price here came down with an impulse. And again, I can still use the same impulse. So if you can check this pair, it's supporting more of buys than sells, you see. So we have this, then we connect this, and then we do what? We go up with it. So that's how I see it, guys. Yeah. So this one is what? This one is silver. So now we're gonna go to the last one, guys, which is gold. So on gold, guys, we're gonna start gold on the daily time frame. The reason I start on the daily time frame is I need to see the bigger picture. You get what I'm saying, guys? I need to see the vision first, you know. So on gold, I don't have to go down, down, down there because the structure is already there. So on gold, what I can do is I'll look for 3 touches. As you can see, I already have 3 touches on the height, and then I have to get almost 2 to 3 touches on the low, which I have. So after that, we're gonna move to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, you could possibly see that you had what we call a double top. So the reason why gold sold is because you had a double top. And if you check, same thing happened previously. When price reached this level, what happened? Price dropped. So if you were to use your bar pattern, guys, here, taking these previous where price touched going down, you could see that if you were to take it and put here, it's equal height. So what's stressing me right now with this pair is you could all see that price is approaching what this level here. So I'm not really sure. I can't tell what's gonna happen now. So let's wait for price. But gold for me right now, it's still a sell and it will still continue selling. Then now we go to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, guys, we could see that gold is selling. So gold will sell till this level here. And then, and again, guys, the reason why gold sold, it was simple, just by a trend line, you know. Take a trend line, there was the breakout, and each and every breakout, it is a retest. So after the break and retest, price went down. You get what I'm saying, guys? I hope I'm making sense. If it doesn't make sense to you, then you're not making money. So you have to wait for this thing, guys, to reach this level. So that's when we can be looking for more positions on gold. So from me, your boy Manandothegoat, guys, I'm signing out. Like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Road to 30,000. Let's do this, guys. I'm doing this for you. This was free knowledge to be continued. Bye. I love you guys. As you see, each can never